Hi guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. We're getting so close. Today when I'm filming this, there's 11 days till Christmas. Dylan just went back inside to look for his wallet. We are headed back into town. I feel like we've been into town so often this Christmas season just because we've been trying to shop local. But we're gonna finish that gingerbread house scavenger hunt my mom and I started the other day. Did you find it? Yeah. We're going to see the other gingerbread houses, get some lunch, hopefully finish our Christmas shopping today. And then we need to get a few more things to like wrap presents. Like I was saying yesterday, we don't have enough. But we're headed to town. Dylan and I are going in a little bit early. And we're meeting up with my parents at like 12:15 and it's 11:15 right now. So
let's do it.
We'll get a little bit of Christmas shopping done and then walk around and get some lunch with them. In that pop-up that we went into the other day and we're looking for Dylan's mom, Dylan's grandma. So much cute stuff here.
Thank you.
No. I don't think so. Alright, we're 0 for 2.
Oh,
yeah.
Is your name Owen?
No.
Because you're Owen too.
What? We're gonna go to one more store and then it's probably gonna be time for us to meet up with my parents. It smells good.
Hello.
Why does it smell like barbecue? We're 0 for 4. No, that one we need a gift card.
I just wanted a gift card.
Oh.
Now we're going back on the scavenger hunt.
Want some names? They used to be.
Oh, lovely. Where's the gingerbread house? Nope. Oh, it smells so good. I wonder if they're...
Hi. Welcome.
little
Now, let's
presents.
see.
They're Starbursts.
Now, what are those windows made of?
Those are presents are Starbursts.
Starburst I got. That's awesome. And I think those are actually...
We got them all. Now we gotta go look at the
Enter
cool
in
ones.
To win a $100 gift card to either Cure or Roundabout.
Where do you bring them? To the library?
You discover
Yeah, where we went last year. And there's more like the cool ones.
Oh.
Here we go.
Okay, you see the shirt?
You want it? You need it?
Like it when you were
No.
8.
But imagine like a quilt collar here, just like that, and a regular shirt. I did have that.
So we finished up with the gingerbread houses and now we're stopping to one more store before lunch. A lot of people did the old houses this year. Oh, are they gonna carol? That's so cute. Finally got one. Stopped at home, drop off some food, and now we're headed back out. We need to go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls. We're exhausted. We'd rather be sleeping, but it's almost 3 o'clock. Early bedtime tonight. Let's go finish this up.
Please.
We're not done.
No.
Oh, we tried.
I'll go shopping for my mom. She doesn't believe me, but I will. I hate this mask because it's a little too big because I stretched it out so it slips over my nose every once in a while.
It's a really good angle. We got all the wrapping stuff. Finally found it. We literally couldn't find it.
Got it.
Because it was back in the garden section. And we're so ready to get out of here. And get home. So the second we got home, I literally just started editing tomorrow's video. And now it's exporting. And I'm making a sweet potato for dinner. Just a sweet potato. Snacking on some leftover veggies. I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night. Yeah, so I thought I'd end this video here. Hope you guys liked today's video. Please subscribe down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at MariahNicoleWithTwoAsandTwoEs. And I'll see you tomorrow. Babe.
What? Hey. You're doing that the whole time?
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.